They taught you how to solve for X in school, but no one taught you how to earn your first $10,000. Strange, isn't it? You've been told to work hard, get a good job, and save money. But here's the truth. Most of what you've been told about money is outdated, incomplete, or just flat out wrong. And that's exactly why so many smart, hardworking people are still broke. Now you might think you're doing everything right. You're budgeting, saving, working overtime. But deep down, you're frustrated. You see others building wealth, living free, while you're stuck wondering what you're missing. So let's pull back the curtain. Because once you see what's really going on, you can never unsee it. Here's the first thing no one tells you about money. It's not just about numbers. It's about behavior. Your mindset, your habits, your environment. These are the real engines behind your financial reality. You can earn $100,000 a year and still feel broke if you're stuck in the wrong money habits. Let me ask you this. If you had to track every dollar you spent last week, could you? If your answer is probably not, you're not alone. Most people avoid money like it's a bad breakup. They don't look at their accounts, they don't set goals, they just hope that one day things will magically get better. But wealth doesn't grow on hope, it grows on intention. And that's the second lie you've been told. Hard work equals wealth. Listen closely. If hard work alone made people rich, construction workers and nurses would be billionaires. The truth? The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards value. It rewards leverage. It rewards creativity, risk, and timing. You can hustle 12 hours a day at a job that keeps you barely afloat. Or you can work 4 hours building a system that makes money while you sleep. Which sounds smarter? Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have the time, the capital, the connections. That's fear talking. That's decades of conditioning, whispering that wealth is only for them, not for you. But here's a little secret. No one is coming to rescue you, and that's good news. Because once you realize that, you take control. You stop waiting for permission and start building your own path. And when you do, everything changes. Let me give you something that could shift your perspective forever. The wealthiest people don't work for money. They make money work for them. They buy assets, they invest in skills, they understand cash flow, not just income. They see money as a tool, not a trophy. Meanwhile, most people, they treat money emotionally. They earn it, then spend it to feel good. They don't build. They survive. But let me break this cycle for you right now. The difference between surviving and thriving is one decision. The decision to take money seriously. It starts by tracking every dollar, by building an emergency fund, even if it's just $100, by learning how taxes work, by understanding how compound interest can either make you rich or keep you in debt forever. Ever heard of the rule of 72? It shows how fast your money doubles based on interest rate. If your debt has 18% interest, your debt doubles every 4 years. Terrifying, right? But if your investments return 10% annually, your wealth can double every 7.2 years. Same math, different direction. Still think money isn't urgent? And here's a fun one. If your bank gave you $86,400 every day, but you had to spend it all before midnight or it disappears, what would you do? You'd spend every cent wisely, right? Guess what? You already have that. It's called time. 86,400 seconds a day. Spend it right or it's gone. Forever. Here's where most people mess up. They keep waiting for the right time, when the job gets better, when they earn more, when things slow down. But wealth doesn't wait. It multiplies for those who move now. If you're still watching, here's your edge. You already know something most don't. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. to keep you consuming, not creating, to keep you trading time for money until you're too tired to fight back. But you can flip the script. Start learning about money like your life depends on it, because it does. Read one book a month. Follow one creator who teaches finance. Save your first $1,000 and invest it like it's a seed, not a sacrifice. Don't just earn money. Become someone who understands it, respects it, and knows how to multiply it. Because the truth is, no one told you this about money. Not because it's a secret, but because most people never figured it out themselves. Now you know. The question is, what will you do about it? If this video opened your eyes, don't just scroll away. Take one action today. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. Because no one deserves to stay broke just because they were never told the truth.